Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix many of the issues that you're having with your Google TV streamer remote. So what we want to do is just simply go to the mute button and the center dial button and just try a reset. So hold these down for about 10 to 15 seconds and this should reset it. And then you'll hear a sound play and count down. Then what we want to do is remove one battery and hold down the home button at the same time, and then place the battery back in, and this should reconnect the remote. Now if it doesn't, what we can do is hold down the back button and the home button at the same time, and this should reconnect it too. So boom, there we go. Now another thing that we try is remove the battery and then go up and down pressing every single button in the remote. And do this maybe about 5 to 10 times. There could be a button that is sticking, or maybe even the dial button. And then give it a little tap just like this and place the battery back in. And then reconnect it. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.